Hello guys, we're Nyanteji TV on YouTube. Na ahade ya fatu ye ho so se de bia no ensema e fa Kumase Asante Kotoko ho pe na ye de ebebrew. Na me pa ocho anidi mu. Aya na subscribe to this channel. Na me the latest any updates from Kumase Asante Kotoko e camp na me de abrew. Na ye nyina ye nim se team no a travel from Ghana and as from Kumase akwa kupim ewo Durban ewo South Africa the coastal area and as omo pona no ho no honom na kura friend Durban ewo na omo fefo a omo South Africa omo se from Kaizer Chiefs ekwa kusi akan ewo Toyota Cup emu na ye nyina ye nim se team no ba 9 free Kumase fa bus enante ya kupie nkran ma na dwono omo ye check in fa flight free kotoka kopie ewo Johannesburg na omo do Johannesburg no because Johannesburg everyone ko your friend is saying Durban no emu one inti no na omo ka so mo ye no by road ebema players na bre already no going from Kumasi to Accra no, was by road enti na oma bre dada enti na de was omo ya na say yesan so e de omo fa ewiem enti omo de flight and a free Durban a free Johannesburg ekopie mo wo Durban na omo ekoye no ye mo one of the best hotels 4-star hotel ewo Durban IFN Protea Hotel is one of the best enye easy na players no na was a break akra wumuti na also mojo ma home no mo home enti medical video ba ko brewa na also moye omo picky stroll I was street nim omo da sorry ye no na and then so no omo ye training na training no na igusu awoshe no na we one of the schools in South Africa paying for any authorities na kasa ye de omo school no pitch and as omo park ewo honum na ye de Asante Kotoko team no se honum na omo nye training na yemfa enye dey en moaboa ye ho entwen game no na osha make us in terms of infrastructure pan dia or of South Africa omo ko manim pa ohwe omo road network ohwe omo hotel ohwe even be omo ye training ye krampa ye school for nkra keke school mumpo no you could see say it is so nice na honum na omo coaches no edu omo nam drills mu ene omo ye warm up twa park no wahia na afei omo fa ball no na obia ebo mema omo ho saa na yenim se Kaizer Chiefs team no enya kwanya ko Europe ko ye omo pre-season no anonti no I don't know in terms of preparation there me feel say Kaizer Chiefs team no were a little bit far ahead of Asante Kotoko. Well, just say you see a kind and I see any, but me feel so between me and Kwenya ako Europe ako ye pre-season there. While when you try, na me himself players in so ye recruit you me our maba team no more so most of them do a be more answer than need sa experience now or more they very high profile matches and I say a very high competitive game but if you say experience there you're the best teacher it is open Africa now winya invitational tournament be say and I say friendly game be within the pre-season now it will prepare team no more jelly because Africa no you winya time to rest oba na say obo FA Cup matches ball league matches and ball Africa also as well. To me only say the players no starting tema beboa. You know, they say me who say understanding no a bank kakra. Na Kwame Poku ye interview no okase. In fact, more bread pa Jenny no, it was very stressful. And your mom will be dream no my bread. You know, no munim say was ha. No, I to say okay, wo fa flight fra Bruchia be do Ghana. Na kabia obi do baby to say Kotoka. Na bia ye de wo ko baby to say Sium. Ana say ye de wo ko bia be doma hinkurachi wo na wutiri anye ye na wo senke de wo fa fom. Na ye de wo fa fom dia obi do say na wa brew. Entina there is a need say ye do mo be fa sure. Entina kwampoku stress you no. Enti na wo cry or kase. Some of these guys are mobile, you know. They are trying so mono munina ebe like omo ebe ki komo abom na omo timi ehu omo no ma boni, because when you are playing you must play as a team. Said be mo winning so mo be winning as a team, and obian in the style of play and a coach bian in the philosophy. Some of these guys when they come normal e be a time and that team no wo hona sana yebe yi bebre dissolve team no asa form these new ones. They normal be ho e be a coach no on can kese, but because e be some of these additions now ban into no e ho be hia say coach no ebe ye den ebe san so do ma famu kakra wo hwa ho say no no munum show. You know, acclimatization, you know, it will take a while because we change environment, we change weather, and as a BBI, you have to acclimatize. You know, be a weather ne war no vis-a-vis what is also pertaining in Kumasi, where they've trained all these years. You know, you need to also have time to adjust yourself to the weather condition. Minim the temperature now, but if it is, relatively a bit hot. Because the way almost you know, it be an anchor be a weather name, you know, and as it be more this winter season, probably be an Kenyan Sebia or more num should be bracer. So we must all support the team and pray for them. Now, me put the idea na me advocating say, me say bus and airport where air trains or mobile baby drew na a form of Domaba Kumasi and campaign for scour or ha. Na come to me and if you so mobile baby do no my bread. Is either they rest in Accra, then come by bus or by road to Kumasi the next day, or be a mobile secure, be a African world, or be a passing there, nebia within 25-30 minutes. Nanko mo Kumasi said beya and kabeti me amo menya enough rest. Now modi ati abuabu mo the task ahead. Matter said there is another team. From a friend is I think is it Rwanda or one of these African nations. Almost they've written to Asante Kotoko mo pese Kotoko so eno mo bo game and also mo bo friendly match. I actually cannot tell the venue whether they want to come over to Kumasi ana Accra. I mean, say Kumasi now in CC Ejuma Bebre Koso, which be a a place be a bit me about match, but minim say probably if almost percent na Kotoko eba obukro mu honoma Rwanda honum na yebebo match no ho dia. But so far so good, and I must say is man, what I'm seeing, I think this is the best decision ever. Ye kokra na say ye nya hwe. Minim say she says team no na efa ekane nyina ekane in terms of hotel accommodation, feeding, transportation, and airfare, plane ticket, everything. It is a be a board tournament no na Kotoko nya hwe. Kotoko can also use this pre-season, you know, at the aboabo ne ho atwen. And a team also feels a be also ko Europe papa. So also here a strong side or a stronger side like Asante Kotoko and a team of experience. No nim you know Africa no any su yi nanka wona na bo na wahwe na ho kekan se Kotoko sena. Then you also know going on pre-season Europe no probably be a non yet the best of decision. But be a also share and then Asante Kotoko also knows the competition and the task ahead, you know. Yeah, so we need to prepare extra. So the bear and also a bit me a boy na ama yehunu say boy was say ye African him. Enti high nyantechi TV Adibia my emergency debia media updates from Asante Kotoko camp ebebrew. You kindly subscribe to this channel. Na ye video ya fa nyina ye fa wo Asante Kotoko SC Media mo e Facebook ye fa na ye nso ye de explanation ni munchi mu kakra ye dey e de abasa de be ya obi odokotoko bia no enso betimi ahu de e koso wotim ni mu no timpacho subscribe to this channel na momwa na yem grow channel no na yen koso e support team no na yen fan pai bon tight team na chi ni mpayifo a omoboa team ni nyina na ye gidi se ye nyina ye koso na ye support team na e beboa bebre na ma team no akonanim. And keep supporting and keep sharing and keep subscribing. Thank you.